In this video, I would be showing you a new part of the dashboard, which is like the testimonials. So ideally, this page is supposed to house all the testimonials you've collected or all the testimonials you've collated from different sources. So I would be showing you how this part of the application works, and I also show you how you can import testimonials to have them appear here. So I'll be talking about the testimonials side of the dashboard and also the import side of the dashboard. So now for the imports, you have like a number of places you can import from. As time goes on, we will continue to add more and more options for you to be able to import with. We can even get to the point where you can effectively even suggest what you want, and then we can immediately help you implement. So right now you can implement directly from the dashboard, which is like the default way. You click on it. All you need to do is input the customer name, the customer tagline, the customer email, the customer phone number, the testimonial title, testimonial content, and if the customer even has a photo, you can just select the photo over here and then click import. I'll quickly run through everything. So for Google Play Store, all you need to do is just to click that and then input the Google Play Store URL, and then you're good to go. For the App Store, same thing. All you have to do is to input the App Store URL, and then you're good to go. For Twitter, you are given the option to input the custom name you want, the tagline you want, the email you, if you have the email of the customer, the phone number of the customer, the title of the tweet, the testimonial you're trying to get from Twitter, and then the URL of the tweet. And from Trustpilot, all you need is your Trustpilot URL. And then for Google Business, all you need is your Google Business name. But then you need to note that the name you'll be typing here needs to be like the exact name of the business as it is on Google Business. And then you just wait for like few minutes for us to effectively ping with Google Business to get all your testimonial into the system. You can as well import videos. Importing videos, basically right now you can also still import directly from your dashboard by uploading a video and filling this short form. Currently we support video with the max of 50 MB for testimonial. As time goes on, also would increase it. For YouTube, you can also directly import from YouTube. All we need is the customer name, tagline, email. So you there's something I need to point out, that like not all these feats are required. A bunch of them are optional. I will try them out. I'll show you how they work, and then you realize that like a bunch of them are optional. But why some of them are compulsory? The ones that we need to like facilitate the import would be compulsory, definitely. So yeah, these are what you need to import videos directly from YouTube. So let's say you have testimonials on YouTube already and you want to move them to the system. You can easily just use this page to do that. You have videos on Vimeo, you want to move it, it's very similar. You have videos on Instagram and you want to move those content to Custimony, very similar. TikTok as well follows the same route. So you might be asking, why do you necessarily need to move it here? So ideally, you can see testimony as being like this unified storage system where you have like all your testimonials from different sources properly kept and collated, and then you can now use all these resources for a lot of other stuff. I'll show you as we move on, basically. So let's quickly do a quick demo. So let's say I want to import a testimony that was said by myself, and I'm the founder of Custimony. My email, my phone number, the testimonial title. I love your product. The content. This product is a game changer. And you can as well select photos, but then I'll leave that out for now. And then I can just import that. And I mean, automatically you have it here. So you see that right now the source was the default, and then you have it here. So let's quickly do this for a different source. So let's say for Play Store. So for Play Store, since Customony does not exist on Play Store, I'm just going to pick a generic app. So I have an app open here, which is like the Google Playbook. So basically, all you need to do for any mobile app, if as a business you have your mobile app on the Play Store, you just need to copy the URL to your mobile app, come to Custimony, paste the URL, and then click continue, and then you give it a while for it to just fetch all of your testimonials. So you see testimonials from the from directly from Play Store now appearing on Customon, and then you can just import them. Um, so I'm just going to look for some of them that I can import. You can import anyone basically, but I'm just looking for something nice that I can import so I can show you even more things. So I'll import this. Um, I'll import this. You see the real-time notification to give you status of the progress of what you're importing. I'll also import this. So I only import three. So you see you have a new notification. So you have like pagination to go as far as page 100 if you even want to import more. So and here you can monitor all the. So you see when we started an import and then when it was completed. So you get real-time notification of things you do directly on the platform. So now if I go back to testimonials again, I would see that I just imported like three from Play Store. One was default, and then these are the three I just imported from Play Store. And so this will bring me down to explaining what these filters are. So these are filters that you can use to filter what you want to show. So right now you have four testimonials. So but if I filter the source to Play Store, it shows that I have three testimonials because yes, I have three testimonials from Google Play Store. And I can even go as far as filtering the type, but right now all of them are just text. So that when we have video testimonials, we can even go as far as filtering for video testimonials. And then for the default method, I only have one because I only did one, which is even a text. So I'll just go back to all. Now let's import some more. Now for App Store, the same thing. You have your product on the App Store. Just go to your product. I'll be using Apple Books also. Copy the link. Come to Customony, paste the link and click continue, and then give it a while. It fetches all the reviews. So I'll just look for something I can. I'm just going to look for a review I can use. Let's just import anyone. So let's import this and let's import this. So we can end this. Now, if you go back to the testimonial page, you see that, okay, one is still importing. Okay, yeah. Now you have a new notification. So if I just refresh, so I see that I have like these two testimonials. Now, yeah, you see that there are like two buttons here where you can either decide to delete a testimonial, whichever testimonial you want to delete, or you can view it. Now, viewing a testimonial, you get like a number of detailed insights. So you get this testimonial was imported from Play Store. This is what the person said. This is a review basically. We automatically help you get the profile picture of the person from Play Store. Right now, this particular testimonial has 0 likes. I'll show you what happens or how this likes gets to increase. You see the name of the person. The tagline is not available because we don't get it from Play Store. Email is not available. Phone number is not available. You see the direct URL to this particular testimonial on Play Store. There's no file path because this is not a media testimonial when it was created. And then you get this AI analysis. So the AI analysis basically tries to help you detect what language the review is in, what the sentiment around the review is like. So right now the sentiment analysis is telling you that okay, this has like 6.2% bit of negativity, 79% of it is really neutral, and then 14.6% is very positive. Then the overall sentiment is neutral, and then you get like keyword analysis basically. So these are like what you get for every single testimonial you import. You can always just click this high icon to view, and then you have that. So now you might be wondering, oh, what if I want to export my testimonial? All you need to do is to come here, click this checkbox. You can select multiple, you can uncheck the ones you don't want, check the ones you want, and you can click export, and immediately you click export, you get them on your email in an Excel sheet. So you can always like export your testimonials to do what you want to do with them. Now you can also delete bulk. So let's say you want to delete more than one, just select what you want to delete and click on delete. Now this show on page and hide on page basically is, I will come back to that. This has to do with your wall of love, but I'll explain that later as we proceed in the demos we are doing together. So